In this week's Canva Quick Tip, we're going to look at removing the background from a video. It is still in beta, which means not quite perfect, but it is fantastic. I'm going to show you how. I'm Kim from Be Your Own Graphic Designer, a platform where you can get unique images to use in your social media and on your website. And they're available in Canva. I'm also a Canva champion. I will show you our new Canva champion badge, which I love. I'm going to share my screen now, and we'll go back to how to remove the backgrounds from your videos. Here we are on my Canva home screen, and I'm going to select video and click on that. So far, I just have a blank screen. What I'm going to do is choose a Canva video, and I'm going to remove the background from that. You can do it with your own videos, but currently, only for 90 seconds. As I said, this still is in beta. You should really edit your video down before you load it. Otherwise, it could take a long time to remove the background. Let's go to videos down on the left-hand side and choose. I'm going to choose this clock one. So let's click on that. And it's got a quite strong background. I have found that paler backgrounds work better with this, but let's see how it goes. All you do is go to Edit Video, and you can see Background Remover comes up. While it's only one click, it can take some time, depending how long your video is. I'm going to leave this in real time so you can see exactly how long it takes. I just click on here and the process starts. You can see the background's actually been removed very quickly on this one. Not really a problem. And let's just play it. And it has no blurry edges, so that's really good. That was a success. Let's try another one. So I'm going to delete this one, and we'll try something different. I'm going to try this one now, as it's got a quite dark background and slightly longer, just to give you a better idea of how long this can take. So let's click on this one, take it out to full size. And this one's just under 28 seconds. Again, click on the Edit Video, click on Background Remover, and it does its stuff. Actually, it's working incredibly fast today. And the results are really good, as you can see. If I now play this one through. This is improving all the time. When I first tried the background remover, I didn't get quite so good results. It is getting better and better. Then what you can just do is click on the background here, go to Backgrounds, and then add whatever background you want. Let's put them in a dark forest. And I'm going to add that. And now you can see that's become a background across all the frames. I can add music, I can edit it, I can make it longer or shorter, as you can with lots of video editing options in Canva, which I'll demonstrate in a different video. I'm now just going to show you how you can do it in a mobile. I'll add that in to this video so you can see it. I'm going to just go across and I'm going to find the mobile video, click on that. And I'm going to choose one of these. So just click to select it. You then need to make sure you click on your video. One of the things that you need to note is that when you upload a video on your mobile, you should do it via the Upload tab and not use the Canva roll or your gallery. I clicked on my video and I'm just going to scroll across and go to Effects, which is FX. Click on that and you can see Background Remover. I just need to click there and you can see it's removed my background. Now I want to replace that background, close that down, click again, and go to Color. And my blanket has come up for Be Your Own Graphic Designer, and I think I'll put that purple behind. So you can see how quick it'd been to just change, and if I play it, you can see it's animated with all the right colors. So that's how easy it is to do on your mobile. I hope that helps, and if you found this video useful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the notify button, which is the little bell, and you'll be notified as soon as we put out another video. See you next week.